kids on the loose. Some, I'm sure none of the grown-ups on this wonderful lawn, but some adults can be so bad. So I follow my dad, I still follow my dad, I love my dad. Well, I turn off every switch and else it leaves on. Pretty soon the power all will be gone. Think it's time for us to explain again. Green kids on the loose. Green kids on the loose. Can you go even louder? Green kids on the loose. Even louder. Green kids on the loose. Let's try quieter. Green kids on the loose. Even quieter. Green kids on the loose. Even quieter. Green kids on the loose. I can still hear you. A little quieter. Green kids on the loose. Oh, good job. Green kids. Good job, you guys. That was fantastic. Well, we'd like to have some volunteers.